Hello students, good morning. Today we will study the next topic of our trigonometry, that is trigonometric identities. Identities, it means based on the ratios we will have some formula that we will use to prove some part of the trigonometry. It is one of the most important topic of your class 10th, because one question always is coming in your board examination that is carrying 4 marks. So in this trigonometric identities we will have mainly 3 formula, and on the basis of those 3 formula we are using another formula also by adding or subtracting, by putting the terms in the LHS or RHS of the same term or same formula to get the another formula. So mainly I will give you not too much, only very little formula that we will use to prove any of the questions. So at first we will see the formula. First formula is the converting or the reciprocal term, or whichever the trigonometric ratio is opposite to which one, that is the first one. So we will see here the formula. First formula that I will give you for the cosec. Cosec theta. Cosec is opposite of sine, so cosec theta can be written as 1 by sine theta. Second one is sec theta. Sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta, because sec is opposite of cos. Tan and cot is opposite to each other, but we will use it as another formula. So tan theta can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta. And the fourth one, cot theta. Cot theta can be written as just opposite to this one. It means cos theta divided by sin theta. This fifth formula is the so important one that we need to use in every places. That is, if we will do the square of sin square theta or sin theta whole square, both meaning the same, but if we will not use the bracket, it means the different. So whenever we need to write the square of sin theta, we will write it like this. So don't be confused in it. Sin square theta plus cos square theta will always be 1. On putting up the formula you will get it, because sin formula is p by h, square of p by h plus square of b by h will give you 1. If you want to solve any of the question, any of the identities, you can use either of these 5. With the help of these 5 you can solve each and every question, but still there is another 2 formula that we will use. So another formula is sec. 6th number, sec square theta will equal to tan square theta plus 1, or you can write it as 1 plus tan square theta. Same way, for last one we can write it as cosec. Cosec square theta will written as 1 plus cot square theta. These are the 7 formula that we will use to solve any of the question. With this formula you can use another formula also. From here, what will be the value of sin square theta? If we want to get the value of sin square theta, then it will become 1 minus cos square. And from here, if we will try to get the value of cos square theta, it will be 1 minus sin square theta. Same way from here also, if we will get the value of tan square theta, then it will become sec square minus 1. If tan square will go this side, then sec square minus tan square will be 1. So same way we will get any of the formula from these 7 formulas. Now we will see some question how to solve. Before solving this question, just keep some point in your mind that either we need to solve LHS or we need to solve RHS, or sometimes both the things we need to solve separately. And one most basic thing which make these questions easier, that each and every term of this LHS or RHS try to convert into sine or cos. if each and every term is converting into sine or cos or in both, then only it will be very easier to solve these questions. So I am having some question, that is number 1 is cos theta minus cot theta whole square. We need to prove it as 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So I am writing up here question. Prove that question is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. It will be in the bracket whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. This one we need to prove. There are some questions in this one which will have the different types of solution. If you will solve the different types of question based on those types only, then you are easily able to get each and every questions by your own way. Now here we will have some part LHS and some part RHS. I will take LHS because LHS is not in the form of sine or cos, but RHS is in the form of cos. So I will see it. Just take LHS. Cosec theta. Just we had seen the formula. Cosec is the opposite of sine. So cosec theta can be written as 1 by sine theta minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sine theta, and it is having the whole square. Now what we can do with it, only at first we are looking up here in the denominator both are same, and if it would be not be same, then also we will take the same process, we will take LCM. So by taking the LCM, what we will have here in the denominator, it will be sine theta. This is also sine theta, this is also sine theta. On dividing, it will give us 1. So 1 into 1, it will be 1 minus here also on dividing, it will give 1. 1 into cos theta, it will become cos theta, and it is having whole square. Now what we can write, above 1 minus cos theta, already it came in the RHS. While solving, just keep one thing in your mind, that what you need to get. If you will not keep it that one in your mind, then you will proceed further and that will lacking behind only. So what we will see, that 1 minus cos theta already came, so we will let it be as usual, only the square part will come with it. 1 minus cos theta whole square, numerator part I did, denominator sin theta whole square. Now only I told that if it will be whole square, then how we can write? It can be written as sin square theta. Sin theta whole square and sin square theta both having the same meaning. Now we had seen in the formula sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So I will write here 1 minus cos theta whole square, that is numerator, and sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Now in denominator we need 1 plus cos theta. How we will get? It is in the form of a square. If we will keep here 1 square, no need to write, just keep it in your mind that it is 1 square minus cos square, a square minus b square, that is in the form of a square minus b square, that we can break it into the formula. What it will become? 1 minus cos theta whole square by a plus b into a minus b. Now 1 minus cos theta whole square, it means it is 2 times. Here 1 minus cos theta 1 times. So with this 1 time, 1 part can be cancelled. We will have here 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, that is equal to our RHS, and hence it is proved. Same way, any of the question if you will take, then easily you are able to solve. Again we will have some another question that I will explain. You see, here is a one type of question, one form of question where we need to use rationalization. Without using the rationalization, we are unable to solve this question. We will have here under root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Whole root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. We need to prove it as equal to sec A plus tan. Here, whenever any of the trigonometric term is in the root and if it is not in the square, then what we will do, we will only rationalize the term. Rationalization you have already learned in class 9. So we will see in the LHS part that under root, in the root only we will do the rationalization. Root will increase up 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into, we are knowing the process of rationalization, multiply up and down by the denominator term by changing of its sign. So its sign is 1 plus by 1 plus sin A. Here in the numerator both are the same, so it can be written as A plus B whole square under root 1 plus sin A whole square, denominator A minus B and A plus B, 1 minus sin square A. Based on the formula A minus B, A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. Now, one more step I will take as usual. 1 plus sin A whole square divided by 1 minus sin square A can be written as, according to the formula, cos square A. Cos square A. Now we are knowing it very well that square and square root is cancelling each other, so it will become, square and square root will cancel, so it will become 1 plus sin A divided by, here also square and square root will cancel, it will become cos A. Now this denominator can be written with 1 as well as sin A also. 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. Now we are looking up here. 1 by cos A is the formula of sec A plus sin A by cos A is the formula of tan A, which will be equal to our RHS. So same way, whenever any of the trigonometric term will come in the under root, then what we will do? We will only rationalize and we will get the solution. One more type of question I will see. We will see here to solve, how to solve that type of question. That I am having here tan A by sec A minus 1, tan A by sec A minus 1, then plus tan A plus tan A by sec A plus 1 is equal to 2 into cosec A. That we need to prove here. Simple way. What we will do, if we will see, then in the LHS part we can take tan A as common. If we will not take, then also it will be easier, but if we will take, then it will become more easier. So we will see in the LHS, I will take tan A as common. Then what we will have in the bracket from here, 1 by sec A minus 1 plus 1 by sec A plus 1. Now tan A can be written in the form of sin by cos. That will be sin A by cos A. On taking the LCM, it will become sec A plus 1 will go here. Sec A plus 1 plus sin, it will go this side. Sec A minus 1 divided by A minus B and A plus B. What it will become? Sec A, sec square A minus 1. Sec square A minus 1. Here 1 and minus 1 will cancel each other. We will have here sin A by cos A into sec A plus sec A. 2 sec A by here sec square A minus 1. Now just change this one also into sin or cos. Here it will be sin A by cos A. It can be written in the form of cos, so 2 into 1 by cos A divided by, it can be written 1 by cos square A minus 1. It will become easier. Here also you can write it in the formula, sec square A minus 1 will become how much? Same way tan square A, but no need to write directly. I will proceed further to make it easier. If you will forget this formula, then you are unable to solve, so make it in sin or cos. Sin A by cos A into, if you will take here in the denominator LCM, then it will become in the down 1 minus cos square A. Then this cos square A will go up and that cos A will come down into cos A, and here it will become 2. This down cos square will go up, so here it will become cos square A. See, this cos A will cancel the square one. Here this in the multiply, so this cos A will cancel this cos A. We will have here sin A into 2 divided by 1 minus cos square will equal to sin square A. This sin A will cancel the square one, then we will have 2 by sin A. 2 by sin A, which can be written as 2 into 1 by sin A, and 1 by sin A means cosec A. 2 cosec A, and hence that is our RHS. So these things it will be easier if you will convert all the term in the form of sin or cos. So similar type of question, just try to solve it. Next type of question we will see in our next video. For today, this much only. I think you have understood.